Hi guys.
Hello.
Welcome to Wedding Wednesday. This is my BFF slash sister Shaniqua.
Hello.
If you guys hear someone saying cheese, that's Penny. She's in here with us. So today we're going to be doing a DIY bouquet. So if you are still planning on getting married in 2020 during quarantine, this is going to be perfect for you. Because we're making these for her mom. Her mom is getting married. So we're just going to take these apart. You got these from Kroger, right?
Yes, Kroger.
Saw the sticker, it was $8.
Yep.
So 2 bouquets for $8. She got some baby breath for $4. So really, really affordable. So just take them apart and then remove the greenery from your rose stem. But keep them intact in case you want to use them later. Okay, so while we peel these off, give you a little background. Give you a little background about how me and Shaniqua, we met years ago. It's been how many years? We always said like 10 or 13, but at this point,
it's about 25 years.
Can't be.
Yes.
Oh my god. So yeah, we were kids, definitely. Spent like all of our teen years together. And yeah, your oldest is what? 16? Oh my god. So yeah. Oh man.
Your first baby.
Yes. You are gonna want to, and florists, if you watch this video, don't be like, oh my god, I can't believe she's doing that to the flowers. This is DIY, okay? If you want professional, we'll call you. So this is just a regular kitchen knife. Just make sure it's sharp and not dull. And then we want to leave these about 8 inches long, so she'll have a good handle.
Mommy?
Yes?
What are you making?
We're making a bouquet. Excuse you. You're right in front of my camera. Thank you. So this is a quarantine style video. Yes, my kids are here with us. So I didn't measure. I didn't bring the measure. So somehow like eyeball each. I got something. I'm gonna cut it and you want to kind of cut it at an angle and make sure whatever you're using, make sure it's not serrated, because that could damage your flower. Like, Penny.
Mommy?
Yes?
Oh.
Sit down. Sit down. Don't tear up. So some other quick tips that I have heard, I have not tried these yet, but one person told me a while back to put a penny in the bottom of your vase, and something inside the penny helps keep the flowers longer. I've also heard sugar.
Sugar vinegar.
Yes, sugar and vinegar. Yes. I don't know how well any of those things work, but 2 people have told me about the penny, and you make the second question about the sugar. And then we're going to use this. It's just some spritz, and spritz the flowers. It's supposed to act like a sealant. Most professionals, they have like this little floral spray mist that they'll use. But Michael's had a line outside that was out of this world. And it's also in the same parking lot as Chick-fil-A, so I just had to go, y'all. I couldn't stay. I was like, oh my goodness. And So what have y'all been doing while you've been quarantined?
I've been doing DIY house projects. So let's see. So far, I have repainted all of my kitchen knobs and drawer handles.
Oh wow.
I'm working on. I picked up some spray paint today to paint my oven and my stove because I have a stove in the counter and I have an oven separate.
I know
So,
exactly.
yeah, so I'm gonna paint my stove.
Oh.
Just decorating. You know, we just moved in December, but now that I have
The
time,
finishing touches.
yeah, I can put some nice things in there and make it look decent.
Okay, so this part is totally just organic. You just kind of start picking them up and putting them together however you see fit. And you can do it like one at a time. You want these in there too, right?
Yeah.
I would just pick it up one at a time. Just throw them in there. Add some baby breath. I'll cut these so you can start throwing these in. Oh yeah, that's cool. Yeah. See, it's not very hard. This part is just you do it until you like how it looks. That's it. I really like that color. That's pretty
Yeah,
color.
that's really nice. When she told me her colors, I was like, okay. No, I didn't think I would find orange like this. I was thinking more peach.
Yeah.
I was like, okay.
I don't know if that's just Penelope. Why are you trying to eat the rose? Sweet? It's edible?
See, that's my name.
Here's your little baby. Alright, so we finished wrapping the stem, and it's gorgeous. I'm gonna take some pictures so you guys can see some close-ups. And this is just some hairspray. It's some spritz, and I'll do it again. I just kind of like held it back and just spritzed them, and it'll leave just like a little glossy finish on them. We did some like underneath, and it'll help them remain fresh looking. So this will kind of give it that that more professional finish that the florists use. I'm going to put up my disclaimer again. I think I might have said it already. But this is a DIY floral, so you florists out there, do not try to crucify me for using this spritz. It does the same thing, but maybe it's not as professional. And I know professionals cringe when we do bootleg stuff. Because I do it. When I see it on bridal stuff, I'm like, oh my God, why would I do something like that? But this is what we had at home. I tried to get some of that, professional fancy spray that you guys use, but Michael's was packed. So that is it. We're going to put this in some water. She can add these. She brought these little sticker embellishments to give the stem some jewels, to give it some little bling. And I told her just to wait until she's about to use it, so that way when we put it in the refrigerator and water, it won't fall off. And when you're traveling with your bouquet, just wrap it in some wet paper towels and maybe just like wrap a towel around it to help it stay moisturized. And that's it. Thanks, guys. See you next week.